The JAMB examination is currently ongoing or about to start depending on the time you are watching this video, and it is necessary for you to know and have the requirements needed for you to successfully register for this exam. If at the end of this video you have any question or confusion, feel free to let me know in the comment and I will definitely assist you. Now let's go into the video without wasting much time, because I know you have to go and read for your exam or probably go for your registration. So the first thing you need is your JAMB profile code. You can't register for your JAMB examination without your profile code. To get your profile code, simply send NIN to 55019 or 66019. Now I'm currently aware that some of you have been trying to get this code and you've been getting error messages. Now this is the solution to your problem. If you've previously sat for the JAMB exam, there is no need for you to try getting a new profile code, because the profile code you used 2 years ago or last year is the same profile code that you would have to use for your JAMB registration. So if you are in this category, please, your problem is solved. The next category of people is those that have misplaced the SIM card linked to their NIN. All you have to do is to visit the JAMB CBT center, inform them, tell them that you've misplaced your SIM card, and now there is now a form you can fill in order for you to get your profile code. So problem solved. If you've not done the NIN registration, you can use your parents' SIM card or your older siblings SIM card for your registration. Now another thing that is necessary for your JAMB registration is your O level. O level, I'm talking about WAEC, NECO or NAPTEP. During your JAMB registration, you need to enter your O-level subject because it is used for your admission process. I know some of you are saying, but then I'm yet to sit for the JAMB exam. How do I do this? You don't have any problem because you have to use awaiting result. Now for those that have their O-level result, make sure you enter the correct subject. While they are registering your JAMB exam, be looking at the grade. If it is B2 you have in English, make sure that it is B2 that is entered, because if you want to correct any mistake after your registration, you have to pay money and go through unnecessary stress. So while they are registering you for the JAMB exam, don't be too excited. Look at it, make sure your name is correctly spelled. Make sure that every of your details are correct before it is being submitted to JAMB. Depending on the course you are applying to study, you need to have the correct JAMB subject combination. You see many people applying for a course, they want to study theater art, but then they are putting in the wrong subject combination in theater art. I'm talking about the JAMB subject combination. So if you still have any of this confusion, let me know in the comments. Tell me the course you want to study and I will provide you with the correct JAMB and O-level subject combination for your registration. Now moving forward, the mock exam. The JAMB mock exam is not compulsory, but then I always recommend that students register for this mock exam. The mock will stand as a way for you to determine your level of preparation, because the mock is close to the main exam. So after you've sat for the mock exam, you'll be able to know that, okay, I think I'm prepared for this exam. Go back and tackle your weak points. And if this is your first JAMB, I highly recommend that you take the mock examination. Of course, by now you should already know the school you are applying to, whether a university or polytechnic. Your JAMB score plays a very big role in the school you are choosing for your JAMB. And thankfully I've made a lot of videos on how you can actually succeed, because the truth is, as it is right now, you can definitely get a high JAMB score if you put in the work starting from today till the day of your exam. So do not feel frightened. You can go on and put whatever school you want.